Hello everybody, I am Torit Mato and you are watching Art in Purulia. Today we'll paint a few orange colored gerberas using watercolor. To understand how the same object looks different from different angles because of the shape and lights and shadows which change depending on the viewing angle, we'll paint the same flower or rather 4 flowers in 4 different positions. The gerbera or Transvaal daisy is a houseplant from South Africa. Scientific name is Gerbera jamesoni. Gerbera is one of the most popular and beautiful flowers and most widely used cut flowers around the world when it comes to flower arranging. Though you can find the flower throughout the year, it is available in abundance in winters. The flower can be found in various colors. Today we'll paint a few orange gerberas. Gerberas are composite flowers with disc and ray florets. If you look the flower from top, it's almost circular in shape. The central disc contains the disc florets. Surrounding the central disc are the intermediate transflorets and the outermost petals are the ray florets. As the view changes to almost 45 degrees, you can see the top portion as an ellipse and the back side of some of the petals can be seen. You can see the color of the petals from top is much brighter than the pale bottom color. From the side, the shape is a bit conical, funnel-like. The green sepals that surround the flower are a bit hairy. Let's draw the basic shapes first, then add details. You can break into quadrants and place almost equal petals in each, but don't be too regular. Some may have more petals, some narrow, some a bit wide, some short and some long. Two regular shapes will look the flower unnatural, geometrical. You can see here I have used colored water soluble pencils to draw the outlines. This way you can avoid the pencil marks which may show even after your painting if the colors used are slightly light or a bit watery. So this is a good way to avoid the pencil marks being shown. Once you have the shapes correct, you can start painting. We will not paint the background here intentionally since our main focus are the flowers. You need to vary the shades based on the lights and shadows. As you can see, somewhere it will be almost white where the light is hitting directly, and some places it will go dark orange and a little tinge of red and pink in those shadow areas, and maybe brownish also. Same goes to the leaves as well as the stalk. They are light green in normal color, but it will appear dark green or slightly brownish where there are shades. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you.